Well, it's getting on. It's about 5:10 in the afternoon, and Mel's sister from Dubai, she wants to open the other box that come earlier on at the other house, and she's brought a boyfriend from Dubai as well, and he doesn't speak much English, and she speaks a little bit of Arabic, I guess she said. So it should be a fun relationship. But what we're going to do is go over to the other house now. When the family comes over from another country back to the Philippines, they expect the family in the Philippines expect to be given money, pasalobong, you know, presents, and her sister's going to take her brother to get a CPU for a PC that he wants to build. But the problem is he hasn't got anything other than the CPU if he gets a CPU. The other problem is she's going to SM for it. So if she gets a CPU, it's not going to be a very powerful CPU, and it's going to be a very expensive CPU because we're in the Philippines. There's my sister, Manu, my sister-in-law. She's gone. Look. Yeah, I'm minding my business. What you doing? Huh? Kelly's really took to me now. I don't know why. There's Pa. Look. See, Pa's shocked I've got the camera because he doesn't like being on camera.
It's my beautiful sister. No,
so this is Mel's sister from Dubai.
I'm beautiful. She said she's beautiful than me. Are you agree that?
Oh yeah, yeah, definitely. So they're going to SM.
Later, guys, they have they're gonna open her.
Bye bye. They're going to open the box.
Yeah, later.
Yeah.
In Urban.
Yeah. See.
So I have a plenty of chocolate, guys.
Yeah, she's got loads of chocolate. If you want to put a smile on Mel's face, buy her a load of chocolate or a Shakey's pizza. Link in the description below, by the way, guys.
They want to take, because they're gonna go to SM to look around for Tuwa.
Yeah, it's a bit putting the cart before the horse, isn't it, buying a CPU? Although the CPU and the memory is one of the biggest.
Yeah, because guys, my brother, he wants to build a PC.
A PC, a desktop PC, yeah. Yeah, like I did. I hope he has more luck with it than me, and I knew what I was doing.
Here's my pasalubong.
Oh.
My sister Melanie from Kelly. And then bags.
Oh, very nice.
Where's the other one? This one is for my mom.
Very nice. Your mum got some nice perfume as well, didn't she?
My dad. Louis Vuitton. This one is the Louis Vuitton.
So there's Insut, look. He's still suffering from all them boil things on his legs.
My sister said just choose which one do you want. Because she had like.
Well, I like that one the best.
Yeah, but it's small.
Doesn't matter. You use that as an evening bag, Mel. That's nice. That'll go with much of what you wear.
I look for other bags in that house. Because she bring, I think more than 2 bags, so I need to choose. They're gonna give this to me.
Anyway, this is my sister-in-law, Manny, and she's pregnant. How many months are you pregnant now, Manny?
5.
5 months.
It's girl.
It's a girl.
Yeah.
She's desperate for a girl.
It's boy.
Because she has 2 boys and she wants a girl.
It's boy.
She allegedly got pregnant by accident, didn't
Yeah,
she?
like,
Bill?
you want to, pregnant accident again?
No, I don't want any accidents, thank you. Unless you want me to kill myself. Kill myself. So the next time you see us, guys, will be at the other house,
Yeah.
unpacking the
Say
box,
whatever.
seeing all the presents.
She already opened.
What?
Yeah, because the chocolate it smelled. She opened because.
Oh, to take the chocolate out.
And then so, because the aircon, there's a aircon in the room.
Oh, for all our British subscribers, Mel's just had her first taste of Fray Bentos pie. What did you think of it,
I
babe?
like it.
Yes, she did, and all she loved it. She gave me some, and she didn't really want to give me any, but she felt bad.
Yeah.
So we'll see you at the other house, guys.
Yeah. Bye.
Right, guys. Good morning. You know where we are now. We're at the place we used to live, myself and Mel. And this was the place my son was conceived. Now we've come here because the other box has been brought to this house, because this is where her sister's staying while they're here. So we've come to see them take the stuff out of the box and see what they've actually got. Oh, hello. You can see, there's my baby, Kelly. And look what her brother's done on the fence, isn't that good? He's got an artistic quality about him, Chocker brother. He's very arty, he likes gardening. So, this is the house as it is now. Oh, hello.
Drunk, you know.
You're drunk? Oh my god. Now that's a lie, because she doesn't drink. Now look what happened here, guys. The fuse box exploded and went on fire. I'm glad we weren't here when it happened. So, what's happening with the box, Mel?
It's still upstairs because my sister, she always sleep like me.
Yeah, does it run in the family, this sleep? You have to have 16, 17 hours sleep.
Yeah.
Runs in the family. Well, why does Manet get up? Manet gets up.
Because she needs to wake up now because of her kids.
Yeah, and she's got to help at the shop, hasn't she?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, doesn't look like we're doing the unboxing yet then.
Maybe later because they
Right.
still sleep.
So later, and you're going to be surprised about this, guys, they're going to have a party. Party?
Yeah.
Yeah. So there'll be food.
And as usual.
Alcohol as usual. Ah. So we know what's going to happen later. There's going to be a few drunk people.
Like for example, if Isa come here, we can continue the focus.
If who?
Isa,
Isa come here.
I don't know. If lang, if ever.
You can do the hocus pocus.
Yeah, the one that you did to me. On the water.
All right. Did she not know about it? No. Mind you, you're a bit old for the subscribers, that, won't it? This is my beautiful Kelly, look. Look how beautiful she is. She's not beautiful when she makes the face, though, are you? Yeah? So, we're going to come back later, guys, and hopefully do the unboxing, and it's hopefully not going to be dark. So they're going to do some cooking.
Doesn't matter, there's a light here. My God.
Yeah, but it's not as good, baby, is it? So, I am calm. I'm always calm.
Are you gonna drink alcohol later? Or you pass? A
Um,
little bit?
maybe a little bit, but not.
Really?
Yeah. Well,
Let's see.
look,
Lying.
never. I'm not promising. I'm not promising. You know, I don't make promises I can't keep. So we'll see you in a bit, guys, and you'll see what's happening later.
Bye.
Huh? Cat got your tongue? Huh? Oh my god. I think she's fell out with me because she didn't give me a kiss today.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping